Welcome to Module BD003. People understand your business faster when they first understand the problem you solve. A list of services may explain what you do, but it does not always explain why it matters. In this lesson, you will create one clear problem statement using language your customer can recognize. That statement will become a foundation for your message and offer. Founders often lead with the service, product, process, or credentials. The customer may hear what you provide, but still not know whether it is for them. The problem is not simply the absence of your service. The problem is the costly, frustrating, risky, or limiting situation the customer is already experiencing. Start there. Most customer problems have two levels. The visible problem is what is happening now. The deeper problem is what that situation costs in time, money, confidence, opportunity, quality, or peace of mind. For example, inconsistent follow-up is visible. Lost opportunities and unpredictable revenue are deeper effects. Both levels help the customer feel understood. Use this simple problem statement. Our customers are struggling with blank. This causes blank. They need a practical way to blank. Use the customer's language, not internal jargon. Keep the statement focused on one primary problem. You can describe additional problems later, after the main issue is clear. A problem statement should be tested, not admired. Use it in a conversation, workshop description, email, or social post. Notice whether the right people recognize themselves quickly. Ask what feels accurate, what is missing, and how they would describe the problem. Strong problem language comes from listening. Now complete the problem clarity statement. Pause the video if you need more time. Write the visible problem, the deeper cost, and the practical change the customer needs. Turn those answers into one short statement. Share it with one customer, prospect, or trusted partner within 48 hours. Ask whether the statement sounds like a real problem they recognize. Revise it using the language you hear. When the problem is clear, your business can communicate with more consistency. Your team can create content, outreach, workshops, and proposals without asking you to rewrite the message every time. That is how message clarity supports founder freedom. Complete the statement, test it once, and save the strongest version before moving on.